Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove stretch marks fast and easily with homemade cream, pregnancy stretch marks removal at home. Remove stretch marks fast and easily with homemade cream. For this we will needs olive oil, aloe vera gel, vitamin E capsules, vitamin A capsules. Take a bowl. Add half cup olive oil and half cup aloe vera gel. Take a blender and mix this into a smooth paste. Now put the paste in a bowl and add 6 vitamin E capsules. Then add 4 vitamin A capsules. Now mix it well. The cream is ready. Store the cream in a clean container and refrigerate it for 1 month. Massage this cream daily on the stretch marks area. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.